I'm back. I am back, and this is you guys' last time seeing me in this green thing for today, because this is the last hair company I have to review. But what is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I am back with another video.
See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
I don't know why it feels like I'm whispering right now, but I'm not whispering. I just don't feel like yelling right now. You guys know I yell. I don't feel like yelling, but I'm back with Cranberry here. I believe, no, yes. My first 6x6, my first ever, like, not standard closure came from Cranberry hair. And that hair was so fire. Sorry, I have a daydreaming problem. I really daydream. OD. But, yeah, that hair was so fire. And I had their hair again, which was platinum, but I got it colored and I wasn't jacking the way it looked colored, so they had to send me another wig. But that wig was fire. I'm gonna find a way to work with that wig. Like, I don't know, maybe I have to do a color removal, I don't know. But today we're back with Cranberry hair, and this hair says choose your cranberry, choose, oh, it doesn't say that. It says choose cranberry, choose beauty. So when I open the box, I see my wig. And now I honestly, like I said before, I don't know what I asked for, y'all, because I be forgetting. Like, I talk to a lot of companies a day. But this, let me guess the length. This right here, y'all. This wig, oh my god. It's something about their black hair. Their black hair is just, well, their natural color hair is just so freaking, like, their natural color hair is just so soft. And it's not thin. Like, they give you your money's worth. Like, this is another, see, y'all, I got another 360. Like, I could be wilding out here with the installs, but I don't know how to install a 360. But like I said, we gonna do this, y'all. We gonna do this together. We gonna learn together. But you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 combs on the inside. It's usually 4, but this time I'm only seeing 3 combs. And you have your adjustable band once again. And yeah, this hair, I'm gonna guess. Before I look at my phone, I'm gonna guess the length. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say maybe around 20. First of all, look how the hair curls at the bottom. That is so wavy to me. Oh my god. This hair is so wavy. This hair is curling without any hot utensils. Anyways, forget it. This hair is just curling without anything being hot on it. But, yeah. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna say this is around 20, 22 maybe. It has to be 20, 22, or maybe 18. Nah, it can't be 22. This has to be between 18 and 20 before I look at my phone. So let's hurry up and look this up, the details, so I can tell you guys the details. This is, I feel like when I'm in the video mood, I should just make all the videos I can. All the videos I can, because yeah, when I'm not in the video mood, it's like I have to force myself to be in that video mood. But it's not, that don't happen to me. Like, I never feel like I have to force myself to make videos, because yeah, I love making videos. But as I'm in the video mood, I love to make as much videos as I can, because like I can just relax for a whole week and just I could just relax for a whole week without even recording, because I already have videos on standby to be uploaded. Also, that even helps me like rack up on the videos that's on private. I was right. This is 20 inches. 20 inches. And this wig is a 360 lace frontal Malaysian. A lot of you guys be asking me, is my hair Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Mongolian, Cambodian? I think I just made that last one up. But You guys, a lot of you guys always ask me like the texture of my hair, like what is it? And most times I don't be knowing because like I don't look at that anymore. Before I started doing like hair reviews, I used to always only get Peruvian. This is when I was buying my own hair. I used to always get Peruvian because there's something about Peruvian. Like I love, love, love Peruvian hair. Like it just feels amazing. I think it's time for me to go to bed, y'all. I'm low-key tired. Like I feel drowsy. But yeah. 20 inches. I was close, y'all. Belizean wig. The density, I'm not sure about the density. It doesn't say anything about density, but it's thick, y'all. This is thick. And you guys always ask me how long does it take for the hair to come. For me, I feel like the hair never takes long to come. Like I can say, let's say if I talk to a company Saturday, I'm lying. They don't even text me on Saturday. Let's say I talk to a company on Monday. I feel like I would receive the hair by either Friday or next Monday. That makes sense? I feel like I received the hair quick. But that's different because you guys, like I'm doing hair review for the videos. So they're gonna like have my shipping go out ASAP. Like I pass everybody else orders. So when someone else orders, it's not gonna be as quick. I feel like it's not gonna be as quick. Because like I said, I'm doing the videos. I talk to them directly. Like I don't do it through a website. You gotta wait for it to process and all this next stuff. No, I talk to them directly, so I feel like that's why I get the hair so quick. But like I said, it won't be the same. Some companies they ship out hair fast, but not all. But y'all, like I said, I have a lot of black wigs, but too much black wigs ain't never enough. I want to do something different with one of my wigs. Like I be seeing girls have the blunt cut. I want to do a blunt cut wig. I've never done it before. Sometimes I feel like it looks choppy. Like I don't know how to feel about it. But I feel like if you have like the perfect hair, like if that hair company is popping, I feel like it would look so nice and natural. Because I even want that look with my natural hair. That's why I want my hair to grow out, so I can like blunt cut the ends. Like I want blunt cut. I love blunt cuts, y'all. I love blunt cuts. It's like I was saying something else. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. All of this hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hold on, wait. Let me tell you guys about the plucking. I can do the plucking. On the road to 40K. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the edge, guess what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for none.